think we have set a record for Malaysia Monitor ERP. We have go live in 30 days after we migrate the system from current software to Monitor ERP. Readycare Manufacturing is a manufacturer of a product, moisture absorber and dehumidifiers. We started the business in year 2013. Monitor ERP just suit our requirement because there are a lot of the modules which is right for our industry use. Currently, we are running MI since April 2021. We actually progress through what we have targeted, but we still lack of we call ingredient, which is not able to help us to complete without Monitor ERP as an interface for us to complete our automation process. When we have an MI server, we are able to capture all the machine lost time when the production finish without coming to the production floor to do the physical check. So we just need to go into the system. We just have an online check on what we are running. That's just in time for us. That's very important for the planning and also our efficiency for delivery. So we're not sure when we can achieve 1,000 carton. We still have to overproduce or underproduce. By having this just-in-time program with the MI server, it just helps us to reduce all the downtime and also what we need to improve from our production floor. If we have to stop halfway, the cost is very expensive for us to reproduce or add on the extra work for us to complete the production. When there is a problem happens, there is an interruption or stop of the machine, that we know that where this lost time came from. Then end of the day, we can do the analyze, we can collect this data for our improvement.
Sebelum guna MI, bila kita ada breakdown ke, so dia akan jadi lambat sikit. Macam susah sikit nak tengok berapa masa dia. So macam kurang tepat lah. So bila kita dah guna MI sekarang, boleh betul-betul agak masa tu berapa. Bila ada breakdown, terus kita boleh letakkan reason dia stop. Okay, adakah sebab mesin punya problem ke, ataupun material ataupun manpower yang punya problem.
Actually, we are looking to make this production towards more advanced, using less manpower with better control in our production process.
When we first implement this ERP system, we feel that this system is very new for us and we are very nervous to implement it. But after this, we have a training with the Monitor ERP consultant. We have a very detailed training. So with the ERP system, our production can report the output with efficiently. We have the real-time output, and also the warehouse also can get the accurate stock level.
As you know, there is a few big names in the market, but we found that that is too technical or too difficult to understand as for SME, because we know there are a lot of failure in launching the ERP system, not tailored based on SME requirement. When you go to the Monitor ERP, we are able to see if you have a sufficient stock and insufficient stock. There is some difference. To be honest, we are skeptical, but the 6 modules that you have is quite suitable for SME.
ERP 是给我们的方便啊，容易查那些数啊，不用拿着一个大电脑，拿一个 pad 我们就可以做工作了。现在，我们的 production 出来那个 finish good， 然后我们有一个 pallet ID， 我们就拿一个 pallet ID scan 了在 ERP， 然后看那个 location 哪里有位置，我们就 scan 那个 location 就 key in 了在 ERP system 咯。然后他们做 document 就容易给我们找那些货在哪一个区啊，就容易拿出来哦。
We can eliminate the manual process previously, so we can capture the data more precisely and more usefully for our daily planning and to achieve our daily productivity and to reduce the cost. In the same time, all our department can share the same information in the monitor system, so very useful for our planning and so on.
So we are happy to launch this program in our system, and we look forward to have more new modules. Your sustainability is suit to the current environment or current requirement. So it definitely will help us to progress further. I think in terms of sustainability, this is a big program for everyone in their company agenda now. We use sustainable energy, which is we power by solar power. And also in the production, we use a plant-based material, which is a renewable materials. So this module is just like tailor-made for us. To our user experience, we have participated in the Ambank BizRACE Season 3. We are the champion for IR 4.0 because we have digitalized our production process, and also because we are running that in a very short period. So the panel think this is a very advanced options for SME, because with your team support, we're able to launch and implement the MI server in this plant without any problems. We look forward to have more kind of collaboration from your side to help us to improve.
We are Readycare. We use Monitor ERP.